Dr. Sunita Dubey and I'm a radiologist and nutritionist also. I did my MBBS from Karnataka and then I did my radiology from Somaiya and the MD from the Luganska Medical College, which is in Europe. Then later on I realized that slowly and steadily I have to utilize this knowledge for well-being of community where everybody gets the equal treatment and in the best facility, and the people don't die just because they could not get the timely treatment. So I started with this setup, Aryan Medical Educational Trust, which is actually a non-profit organization. Aryan Medical Center or Aryan Hospital or Trust, they were actually catering very small number of people. So what dream I had as serving the whole nation and the whole globe, that was not possible with the kind of work I was doing. Medscape India is my dream project and it is working since 2006. I was having the dream of taking all the expertise people along with the government, along with the community. So Medscape India have come with this vision. To start anything, we have to know what are the issues are there. So we performed a big survey to find out what are the issues we have. So first survey was done from the patient. And the second survey was done to find out about the doctor. And that gave us quite big vision to us, an idea ki what are the issues we have in India to fight and come up with some prevention. We have started with the online reporting for the patient, then we have a medical cell to help the doctor, then we have a lot of interactive tools available on our site where doctor can become a columnist, write a lot of fact about the medicine, educate patient, and we are going to focus a lot of things like we have an issue related to the violence on doctors, then issue related to law and policies, and medical student having issue, then a lot of issue related to exclusively related to healthcare community. Apart from other work, Medscape India is going to give award which will definitely encourage the people who has done a good job and set an example. Hope government also integrates Medscape India's team for their policy making. That will definitely help them to get the practical knowledge which can utilize to make a policy more usable by community of medical healthcare also and for the community itself. Medscape India is all about converting dream into reality. So we are expecting that really it will change a lot of things in healthcare.
This organization is the first organization which is giving awards to the medical personalities who have worked as a pioneering, particularly in that particular field.
Medscape India has got a big body together which compiles cardiology, radiology, gynecology, all the branches has come from medicine, and along with that dental, Ayurveda, pharma, physiotherapy, the branches we have never met, they have also come together to support the cause. Medscape India Award has got 21 categories and all 21 category had 21 body. For this award, we had almost sent the emailer and nomination more than 3 lakh people. So we had 2,000 total nomination we have received in 21 bodies. After 2,000, we have selected 21 people.
As a jury, it gives a great pleasure to see that everybody who had been nominated for these awards, they all deserve in their own way a separate prize.
Let these awards inculcate a best value in the minds of doctors, so they start in believing, giving their best to the society.
want to thanks to all my jury and advisory member and people who's working behind the scene. Everyone, I want to say thank you, and I want them to realize this is a genuine cause where really we can come together and make a difference in society. We can do a lot of things together, and definitely for that, till you all don't get involved, it's not possible. So it's a teamwork which we are going to represent Medscape India, and I'm thankful to all of them, of course the people who have come over here and listening to me. Thank you so much.
रिश्ते भरोसे चाहत यकीन उन सब का दामन अब चाक है, समझे थे हाथों में है ज़मीन, मुट्ठी जो खोली बस खाक